So welcome back. So we're talking about the font family today. Now in the font families, now there are 5 types of font family. So we have the serif, the sans serif, we have the monospace, the cursive, and the fantasy. So I've given each of them an ID. So the ID makes them specific. So we'll relate with them on the CSS file. So let me open on the web page for you to see. So in default, they are all in serif. So that is the serif. That is, they have decorative edges. So that is default. So I'm going to change them now on the CSS file. So first we deal with the serif. That is the font one. The ID is font one. So select an ID, use the hashtag or the pound, and that's font one. So under serif, so we have, so that's the font family. Now we deal with the font family. So under the font family, under the serif, we'll add some other fonts. So in case your browser doesn't find one, move to the next one. Doesn't find the other one, move to the next one. So that way, the browser finds which text to use. So Times is also part of the font family of the serif. Also Times New Roman. And we also have Gorgia also. Sorry about that capital letter. So we have Gorgia. So that is we also have Lucid. Yeah. So the browser will use any of these pre-installed font family from the serif. So now going to the second ID now. We have the font 2. So that is the font family here is going to be sans serif. So under sans serif, so we have text like we have font style like area, we have bandana and all of that. So we're going to type some of them here. So we have bandana. So we have Arial. So we also have Arial black. Arial black also. We also have that. We have trebuchet MS. So these are the font family for the sans serif. So move to the next font family now. We have the font. We have the hashtag font 3. That is the ID tag 3. So the font family. So we have monospace at the font family there. So we're going to relate with that. So we have monospace. So the monospace, like I've said, they have either the same width or different width. So monospace have the same width or different width. So the sans serif, they don't have decorative edges. That means they have straight edges. So example of monospace, we have Korea, New, we also have Andale, we have Andale Mono. So those are the texts. Those are the font family on monospace. So we have the next font family now. That's font family 4. So we have the cursive. We have the cursive now. We have the cursive. So these ones, they have decorative writing. These are decorative writings. So they are mostly used in headings and all of that. So under cursive now, we have the Comic Sans MS. We have the Comic Sans MS. We also have the we have the snail. We have the snail. We have the apple. We have the apple chain. Okay, we have the apple chainery. And now we'll deal with the last font family now. That is the font 5. So we have the fantasy. So this various font family can be used in their specific places. This fantasy can be used in headings, that's headings, can be used in headings or beginning of an article. So fantasy now, we have impact as an example of fantasy text. We have impact, we have stencil, so we have mojo. So we have module. So these are the font family now. So you can feel free to write them down and experiment with them later. So on the web page now, when we refresh on the web page, so you're gonna see how it's gonna look like. So you can see that now. So the font families have all changed. So that is how serif will look like. The default font, that is sans serif, no decorative edges. The monospace, that means they have the same space or different space. The cursive and what fantasy. So those are the font family. So let's make it a little bit eligible. So the body tag now, we're gonna add the background color to it. So I've talked about the selectors and also the background, how to set the background color and all of that, and the gradient also. So check out the lessons. So thank you for watching, like and subscribe.